What if I told you that you can just chat with an AI agent and it would automatically build professional product mockups and cinematic video ads for you? No design skills? No video editing? Just a simple conversation? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to blow your mind with Urai AI. And by the end of this video, you'll be creating content that looks like it came from $1 million agency. Let's dive in. Today, we're diving deep into Urai AI, a game-changing platform that's revolutionizing how we create marketing content. And the star of the show? Their AI agent that literally builds entire creative workflows for you just by chatting with it. Seriously, you describe what you want, and it does all the technical work behind the scenes. It's positioned as an easier alternative to Comfy UI and N8N, but specifically designed for content creation workflows. We're going to take a simple product, this Coca-Cola Zero Sugar can, and transform it into professional mockups and a full video ad campaign. First things first, what exactly is Urai AI? Think of it as your personal creative studio powered by artificial intelligence. Unlike other AI tools that just generate one image at a time, Urai uses something called workflows. These workflows are like automated assembly lines for your creative projects. You can chain together different AI models, apply consistent styling, and create entire campaigns with just a few clicks. The platform gives you access to over 20 cutting-edge AI models. We're talking Nano Banana, Seedream, Sora 2, Veo 3.1, and more, all under one membership. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. I'm already logged into Urai AI. If you want to follow along, I will put the link in the description. Just grab the link and create your account. Okay. Our mission today is simple. We're promoting Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. We need product mockups for social media and a video ad that'll stop people from scrolling. Let's start with the easier approach first, the AI agent workflow. So here's where Urai really shines. See this chat interface? This is your AI creative agent. It's like having a professional designer sitting next to you. I'm just going to describe what I want and watch what happens. I'm typing. Create product mockups for Coca-Cola Zero Sugar soda can. I need lifestyle shots showing the fridge pack in different settings. Kitchen counter, outdoor picnic, gym bag, and office desk. Make them look professional and Instagram ready with modern clean aesthetics. And oh, send. Now watch this. The agent is thinking, it's analyzing my request. And boom, it's automatically building a workflow for me. Look at this. It's setting up nodes, selecting the right AI models, and configuring parameters. I didn't have to do any of this manually. The agent is using Nano Banana Pro for high-quality image generation. You can change the settings and models. You can change the aspect ratio, size, and all other settings inside the node. That means you have the complete freedom to generate your content. Not like other agents, you have to be satisfied what you get. You can even change the image generation model. You will find all the popular image generation models, including Nano Banana Pro and Seedream. So, set all the settings for all the image generation nodes. Once you are ready, you can run the nodes from here, or you can click on the Run button from here to generate the images. And here it is. You can see that the workflow is running. It will take some time. And while we wait, let me explain what's happening behind the scenes. The workflow it created includes prompt enhancement, image generation, and even some post-processing to make sure the Coca-Cola branding looks crisp and professional. And here it is. The image generation is completed, and you can see the result. Look at these results. We've got our Coca-Cola Zero can on a modern kitchen counter with perfect lighting, another one at a sunny outdoor picnic with that golden hour glow, one tucked in a gym bag looking fresh and energizing, and finally, a clean office desk setup that screams productivity. These look like they were shot by a professional photographer. The lighting, the composition, the product placement, everything is on point. And this took what, maybe 2 minutes? This is the power of AI agent workflows. The agent understood my intent, built the entire pipeline, and delivered exactly what I needed. Now, if you need more or customization, you can simply ask the agent to do this for you. For example, I need a closer look at this image. I am selecting the node, and then coming to the agent chat box. You can see that the node is selected here. Now I am typing, create a closer look at the soda can, and then hitting the send button. The agent is working on behalf of me. You can see that a new Nano Banana image generator node with a custom prompt has been added and connected with the selected node. Now I need to just hit the run button from here, and it's now working. Here it is, the image is ready. We got a closer look at the soda can. So you don't do anything, just type the idea, and the agent will create it on your behalf. Now some of you are probably thinking, that's cool, but I want more control. I want to understand what's happening under the hood. I hear you. That's why we're going to create our next set of assets manually using UART's Workflow Builder. Let me create a new project. This is your creative canvas. Think of this like a visual programming interface, but instead of code, we're connecting AI models and creative tools. For this workflow, I will create a video clip with this character. So first of all, I am selecting an input node. We have to select the image loader node. Next, we have to add an image generation node. Here on the left side, you will find all the nodes. You will even find a vast library of templates. However, we don't need it at this time. Another way of selecting the node is by clicking on the plus icon from here and then selecting which one you want to use. I am selecting the Nano Banana Pro image generation model. Once the image generation node is added, to turn the image into a video clip, I will add a video generator node. To generate video, you will find several AI models. I am selecting the Sora 2 model. Okay, our small and simple workflow is ready. Now let's create the video clip. To do that, we have to upload the reference image first. I am uploading the image. Once done, I will add the prompt for Nano Banana Pro. After that, I will add the prompt for Sora 2. Once everything is set, hit the Run All button. And you can see that the image generation node is now working. And here it is. The image is ready. And now it's generating the video clip. Okay, we have got the video clip. And look at this. This is really. So, now in this method, you can create your custom workflow and make amazing, customized, and consistent content. Alright, now for the main event, creating a full video ad. This is where UART really flexes its muscles. We're going to generate multiple consistent images, create a storyboard, turn those images into video clips, and assemble them into a promotional video ad. Sounds complicated? Let's let the AI agent help us again. I'm opening a new chat with the agent and giving it a detailed brief. After that, I will upload the product image and then hit the send button. And you can see that the agent is processing this. It added a Google Nano Banana image generator to generate the storyboard. I will generate the storyboard first. And here it is. The storyboard is ready. And it's really a good storyboard. Now, I will create the first frame of every scene. So I am typing, create first frame image of every scene so that I can generate the video later. The agent is now thinking and building the workflow. You can see that it added 12 Seed Ream 4 image generation nodes to create the images. You can change it. Okay, now let's hit the run button to generate all the images. And here it is, the images are ready. Now we have to turn all the images into video clips. So, I am typing. Now turn all the generated images into video clips with sound and hitting the send button. Now the agent will add all the video generation nodes. And here you can see that it added VO3 nodes to generate the videos. However, I want Kling 2.6 to generate the video. So, I am asking the agent to replace VO3 with Kling 2.6. And it's done. Now, I have to just click on the run button from here. The video clips are now being generated. Okay, all the video clips are ready. Now it's time to merge them and make the final video. So, I am typing, stitch all the video clips generated. Now the agent will add the stitch video node to merge all the video clips. Here you can see that 2 nodes have been added. That is because this node can merge 10 video clips, and we have 12, so we need 2. Now I will run the workflow to stitch the video clips. And here it is. We are done, and this is my video. This is really amazing. And there you have it. We just created professional product mockups and a full video ad campaign for Coca-Cola Zero Sugar using UART AI. We did it with the AI agent for speed and efficiency, and manually for complete creative control. This platform is seriously a game changer for marketers, content creators, small business owners, and anyone who needs professional visual content without the professional price tag or learning curve. If you want to try Urai AI for yourself, head to urai.ai. I'll put the link in the description. And their pricing is super reasonable compared to hiring designers or subscribing to multiple AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials, and drop a comment below telling me what product you want to create content for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go create something amazing.